Welcome to Sewerby Squirrels Crafts at Home. Today you're going to learn how to make a boat hat. To make this craft you will need 2 pieces of A4 card, something to draw with like a pencil or a pen, a pair of scissors, some sellotape, some colours and some glue. First you need to draw your boat, or ask a grown-up to draw one for you. Next, colour it in and cut it out. Then ask your grown-up to fold the second piece of card in half lengthwise and cut it in half to make 2 strips. Stick the 2 strips together with sellotape to make one long band. Next, stick your boat onto the band with glue and leave it to dry. When it's dry, ask your grown-up to help fit the band to your head and sellotape it to the right size. And that's it! Now you've made your boat hat.